student, welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids. Today we will see our next topic, that is charts. Charts we have already started. Charts in Excel we have already started. That whatever the data is there in Excel worksheet, it can be converted in a pictorial form, and that is called a chart or a graph. Got it? So one by one I will explain you how to create a chart. Now this is your practical purpose work, so you have to listen it very clearly. Okay, so now creating charts. So the charts, the data in the worksheet can easily be used for creating charts. First of all, it is very necessary for you to make a data. Whatever the data you can make in Excel sheet, it is you can make it in Excel sheet worksheet, and then that data you have to convert in a graph form. Okay, we will see how. Two examples I am giving you. Listen it clearly. Method 1. Select the cells and press the F1 key. First of all, 1 minute. So now creating charts we are doing, in which two methods are there. First is your method 1 and second is your method 2. So method 1. Select the cells and press the F1 key. It will automatically create a chart for you, and a new chart tab will appear along with the sheet tabs. Select the cells and press the F1 key. Okay, you have to select the cells. These are the steps of method 1. You have to listen it very carefully, and this thing you have to follow it carefully. Okay, select the cells and press the F1 key. It will automatically create a chart for you, and a new chart tab will appear along with the sheet tabs. Now we'll see how. See, this is your Excel sheet. I have made one worksheet, that is name, and subjects are there, and markings of that subjects of the particular name. So name Priya, Sia, Dia, Ria, Jia, Maya, all these are the names, and their subjects: English, Math, Science, Marathi and Hindi. These subjects are there, and in these subjects they got this much of marks from out of 30. Okay, so now you have to make the chart of this mark. You have to make the chart. So I will make bar chart of a particular person name Priya, English, Math. He will what she got in marks, that we have to see. Okay, now we'll see how. First of all, you have to select this tab, select these cells, this one up to this you have to select it first. Okay, select it. Now we have selected. See, I have selected the cells. While after selecting, notice here this came. Okay, when this came, click on that. You have to click on that, and you will click, you will get all these things. In that you have to choose charts. Okay, in that you have to choose the charts. See, this is present here. Okay, now see, you have to click first here. In that, click this charts. This chart you have to click, and this one. Okay, when you will click on this, what happen? See, I choose chart, and in that bar chart is present, and I got the result also. It is converted. See, the name Priya and her marks. See, it is converted for 30 marks, and how much marks she is getting, it is present here in the bar chart. Priya, Sia, Dia, Ria, Jia, Maya, all are present here. Their names, everything. The way you are doing this chart in your math, the same way you have to do here also. Okay, this is your chart. I hope it is very easy for understanding, because each and everything is present here in this paper. Means everything I am giving you, whatever the chart sheet is there, how the result will came, everything you can see here. So I think it is easy, and you have to perform these works properly. Now method 2. See, here chart is already present, and you have to learn how to create a chart. So chart created. The next one is your method 2. Select the cells within the table. Click on the insert tab. Select the type of chart from chart group. Select the chart subtype. Okay, now same, select, you have to select the table, then in insert chart you will get the type of chart, which type of chart you want, and then chart subtype will also get there. So you have to choose which type of chart you want: bar chart, graph, or line chart, or pick pie chart, any chart. So many charts are examples are there, we have seen our first video. So types of charts also we knew it, and from that to which you want you have to select on it. Okay, it will be converted to like that only. Now see method 2. See, the same table worksheet is present in the Excel, and on that worksheet what you have to do, you have to select it. Okay, as you have selected, selection is very much important. This I have selected here, see. Okay, now next, see now, in our insert tab we have to go here in insert tab. This is your insert tab. In this insert tab, what you have to go do here, see, charts are present here. Got it? These charts. In insert you have to go here in charts, insert chart. Now insert chart, here different types of charts examples are there, which you want you have to click on it. I click here on this bar chart. Okay, insert column chart, it is your column chart, so I click on it. So see now what happened. See, when I click on it, you can see here different in insert. In insert you will get these types of very different types of chart types. So from this you have to select any one, click on that one, click only, you will get the chart. See, I click on here, I click here, I got here answer. Understood? Very good. Now this is your second method. So two methods we have seen, like first is your method 1. It is also simple. F1 you have to press, you will get the chart. From that you have to choose. Second method is also very easy. You have to click on it, insert tab. Insert tab you will get the chart types, and in chart types subtypes are there. These are the subtypes which you can see here, and from that if you want any type of chart, that you can use it, select it. Okay, now we will see the editing and formatting the charts, how to edit and format the charts. See, now editing and formatting is very much easy. So now we will see how to edit and format. Changing the chart type, select the chart and click on design tab. You have to select the chart. Okay, whichever the chart you want to select, you want to edit, you have to select it, and after selecting you have to click on the design tab. The design tab is present, you have to select the design tab. After that, change the chart type. If you want, you can change the chart type, and then click on the change the chart type. You have to choose which type you want, then click on OK. Okay, now see, already the chart is present. That chart you have to do the formatting. So for that, what you have to do, see, when you will select the, click on the chart, and then you will see here design. In design, see chart design, you have to click. 1 minute. See, here design is there. When you will click here, you will get the change chart type. Okay, change chart type, design, change chart type. What will happen? You will get such type of dialog box. In this you have to click on anyone. See, this one is there or this one, anyone you can see, and so many options are there, and you have to click here anyone and then click on OK. Okay, click on OK. What will happen when you will do like this? Then answer. See, different types of again options you will get. I selected this option, different, this option is I have selected. You can select your choice. Okay, so I selected this and then click on OK. What will happen? You will get the new type of chart type. Formatting means you can change and you can do whatever the things you want to do or you can want to change in your chart type. Now this type you can get the changing of chart. Okay, see, these are the different and important things are here. Now we will complete first of all Excel, and we have to start with HTML also. Okay, so now I hope you understood all these things very properly. Repeat the video if you are not getting, and if then also if you have any problem you can ask me in your interactive session. Okay, thank you so much for listening properly. Thank you.